Here are the FPAR Nike Dunks. Really cool rubber outsole right here. True to size as any Dunks. Retail was $125. I got this up at my local skate shop Borders. So yeah, it seems to be like just a cheap leather out here on the top. Gray and black color. Rubber outsole here. A little interesting detail is it says "Don't follow me." It's like pressed in. And also in the Jordan 6 tongue, "Trust no one" on the back. Pretty cool. And yeah, the tongue here is actually like Nike SB. It's a Jordan 6. And you have a little lace lock here with FPAR on the outside here. Nike SB embroidered on the tongue. Check it out. FPAR Nike on the back. Rubber. FPAR logo on the little tab back here too. So inside, nothing here. The swoosh is just like kind of plasticky, I think. Try to get a close up for you guys here. It does come with an extra dark gray laces to match with the gray here, and it's like black by default. I don't think this shoe is reselling for too much either, but they are coming out on the sneakers app again, so it shouldn't be too hard of a cop. I don't think that the resale will go up on this either, but it is a high dunk skate shoe with a Jordan 6 tongue. And this shoe actually says "I'm lost too." Okay, so the left pair says "Don't follow me." "I'm lost too" on the right pair. I didn't realize that till now. But yeah, everything else is the same. Inside the song of the tongue says "Trust nobody." Trust no one. On your standard SB box. Alright guys, peace out.